I was part of the profession when the Modernising Scientific Careers was introduced, and I was aware of the HSST element that was expected to be introduced as part of that. It was something that I was interested in, particularly because I chose never to go on to do postgraduate academic study. I wanted to get straight into the NHS and into diagnosing patients, and I felt that it was an opportunity for me to do some of that whilst in employment and whilst having a role within the NHS. Some of the benefits of being on the HSST programme ultimately will be the opportunity to apply for more senior positions. More than achieving the qualification itself, I think the benefit is going to have been the opportunity to undertake some clinical academic research and to undertake the leadership training that we've been exposed to. As well as being challenging, that has also been really enjoyable because it's almost been a break from clinical workload and something that we do in day to day. It's an opportunity to step back from that day to day and think about things differently and perhaps bring some new practices to the department and some new ways of thinking. Genomics is a profession which is changing rapidly at the moment. There's some really new technologies which are fantastic, and it's enabling to achieve so much more than we otherwise could have done 10, 20 years ago. The leadership aspect of the HSST programme has been really useful for that. It's given us the understanding of the theory behind change management and introducing new ways of working. And it's been great to have exposure to that and then take that back to the department and really try and bring that into our day-to-day work. Before embarking upon the HSST programme, I think it's important to have a willingness to participate from the potential trainee. It's also important to have a willingness from the leaders within the department that there will be work required of the trainee, assignments that will need to be completed, and some of them will involve innovations and thinking of new ideas. Take advantage of that. There's a lot of learning that will be done as part of the HSST programme, and the ability to take that back to the department, new ideas or new technologies or new ways of working, taking back ideas about how things can be structured or models of working within your department could be changed. One of the real problems within the genomic revolution that we're experiencing at the moment is the huge number of genetic variants that we're identifying. It's been useful to get involved in research about sort of helping to prioritise variants and identify which might be the ones which are pathogenic. Hopefully, it will enable us to more quickly identify which of the disease-causing variants in people, reduce the amount of time taken to diagnose individuals, and reduce the diagnostic odyssey which exists at the moment in people.